Do your hands tingle, your legs feel weak, or your knees ache when you move? Have you been told it's just age, something you have to live with? That's not entirely true, because new science reveals it's not just aging, it's a silent collagen collapse happening inside your body after 60. And when collagen breaks down, your nerves misfire, your joints stiffen, and even your skin begins to sag and bruise more easily. Left unchecked, this leads to falls, fractures, and even nerve damage, especially in the hands and legs. But here's the part no one tells you. You can rebuild collagen naturally without pills, just by eating specific fruits rich in collagen-activating compounds. In this video, I'll show you the 8 most powerful collagen-rich fruits to reduce tingling, rebuild leg strength, and protect your independence. Subscribe now, because getting older doesn't mean losing control of your body. Fruit number 1. Kiwi, the small green fruit that switches collagen back on. It's small, fuzzy, and often overlooked. But for seniors, kiwi may be one of the most powerful collagen-activating fruits you can eat, especially if you're dealing with tingling fingers, joint stiffness, or weakened legs. Here's why. Kiwi is rich in vitamin C, and this isn't just about immunity. Vitamin C is essential for the activation of procollagen, the raw material your body uses to rebuild tendons, ligaments, skin, and nerve sheaths, all of which weaken after 60. Without enough of it, your body cannot produce or repair collagen, no matter what supplements you take. But kiwi doesn't stop there. It also contains actinidin, a natural enzyme that helps your gut break down protein, so the amino acids needed for collagen can be absorbed properly. Antioxidants that fight off collagen-destroying free radicals. Potassium, which supports nerve conductivity and helps relieve cramping or tingling in the legs and feet. When collagen levels drop, the myelin sheath around your nerves becomes damaged, like frayed wires. This causes numbness or tingling in the hands, burning sensations in the feet, weak grip strength, and even misfired muscle signals. But by eating collagen-supportive fruits like kiwi, seniors can begin to restore that insulation layer, helping nerves fire properly again. How to use it: eat 1 kiwi per day, preferably in the morning with a meal. Pair with a handful of nuts or Greek yogurt for healthy fat and protein. Avoid canned kiwi or store-bought juices. They contain added sugar and preservatives that destroy vitamin C. Kiwi isn't just a fruit, it's a repair signal. And for seniors feeling disconnected from their own body, that signal matters more than ever. Up next, a tropical fruit with enzymes so powerful they break down inflammation and jumpstart joint recovery. Let's talk about pineapple. Fruit number 2, pineapple, the anti-inflammatory powerhouse that helps collagen rebuild damaged joints. It's tropical, sweet, and refreshing, but pineapple is more than just a summer snack. For seniors struggling with stiff knees, swollen joints, or aching legs, pineapple may be one of the most effective fruits to include in your daily routine. Here's why. Pineapple is the #1 natural source of bromelain, a powerful enzyme that helps the body break down scar tissue, reduce joint inflammation, and improve nutrient delivery to damaged collagen fibers. As we age, inflammation becomes chronic. It silently eats away at the cartilage between joints and interferes with collagen production. That's when you feel stiff in the morning, sore after a short walk, or inflamed after eating certain foods. But bromelain works differently than painkillers. It doesn't just mask the pain, it targets the root cause, helping your body flush out inflammatory compounds and create space for healing. Pineapple is also high in manganese, a mineral required for collagen formation. In fact, without manganese, your body can't stabilize or cross-link new collagen fibers, meaning healing stays incomplete. It also offers vitamin C, critical for pro-collagen activation, natural enzymes that boost digestion and help your body absorb protein and antioxidants, anti-clotting properties, which may improve blood flow to stiff, oxygen-deprived tissues. How to use it. Eat 1/2 to 1 cup of fresh pineapple 3 to 4 times per week. Best taken between meals or with anti-inflammatory foods like turmeric or greens. Avoid canned pineapple and syrup. It's loaded with sugar that destroys collagen. Drink pineapple juice only if cold-pressed and unsweetened pineapple isn't just fruit. It's natural therapy for your joints. It clears the inflammation blocking your body's ability to rebuild and gives collagen the minerals and enzymes it needs to do its job. Up next, a fruit loaded with enzymes and antioxidants that not only supports digestion, but directly feeds your body's collagen repair system. Let's talk about papaya. Fruit number 3, papaya. The collagen-repairing fruit that calms inflammation and feeds your skin and joints. It's soft, sweet, and often underrated. But papaya may be one of the most powerful collagen-supporting fruits for seniors, especially if you're dealing with stiff joints, dry skin, or slow recovery after movement. Here's why. Papaya is rich in vitamin C, which, as you've learned, is essential for collagen production. But what makes papaya unique is its high content of a special enzyme called papain. Papain acts like a digestive catalyst, helping your body break down tough proteins into absorbable amino acids. These amino acids, especially glycine, proline, and lysine, are the exact building blocks your body uses to form collagen. If you've been eating a high-protein diet or taking collagen supplements but still feel no difference, papaya might be the missing piece. It helps your body actually use what you're feeding it. And there's more. Papaya contains flavonoids and beta-carotene, which protect new collagen from oxidative stress. Potassium, which helps calm nerve activity and reduce cramping. Fiber, which supports gut health, a key factor in nutrient absorption as we age. Papaya also helps reduce C-reactive protein, CRP levels, a marker of inflammation commonly elevated in seniors with arthritis or chronic pain. What does this mean for you? By eating papaya regularly, you're giving your body the exact tools it needs to rebuild collagen around your joints, soothe irritated nerves, and restore smoother, stronger skin and tissue elasticity. How to use it. Eat 1/2 cup of ripe papaya 3 to 5 times per week. Pair with a squeeze of lime to boost digestion and vitamin C activation. Avoid papaya in sugary desserts or dried forms. They're stripped of the enzymes you need, can be blended into smoothies, eaten raw, or added to Greek yogurt. Papaya isn't just fruit. It's a collagen repair signal, digestion booster, and anti-inflammatory agent in one bite. Next, a tropical superfruit so rich in vitamin C and lycopene, it's clinically proven to boost collagen and protect joint health. Let's talk about guava. Fruit number 4, guava, the vitamin C superfruit that triggers collagen repair faster than supplements. It's tropical, tangy, and often forgotten in the fruit aisle. But for seniors battling tingling hands, sore knees, or thinning skin, guava may be the single most powerful fruit for restoring collagen production, naturally and rapidly. Here's why. Guava is one of the richest natural sources of vitamin C on the planet, delivering up to 5 times more vitamin C than an orange in just one serving. Why does that matter? Because vitamin C isn't just good for your immune system, It's the spark plug for collagen synthesis. Without it, your body can't repair damaged joint cartilage, regrow connective tissue, or rebuild the collagen mesh that protects nerves, vessels, and skin. And as we age, our absorption of vitamin C decreases, which is why so many seniors experience weak ligaments, sagging skin, tingling in the hands and feet, and delayed healing after injury. Guava also contains lycopene, a powerful antioxidant known for its ability to protect existing collagen from breakdown, especially in skin and joints. What makes guava special is that it not only stimulates collagen production, but also preserves what you already have, giving your body a two-pronged defense against aging. How to use it: eat 1/2 to 1 guava daily, raw with skin if possible. Choose pink flesh guava for higher lycopene content. Pair with a handful of nuts or a protein source to help collagen synthesis. Avoid processed guava juice or jam. They contain sugar and little to no vitamin C. Bonus tip: guava is also excellent for stabilizing blood sugar, supporting your gut lining, and improving nutrient absorption, essential for seniors dealing with digestion issues. Guava isn't just high in vitamin C, it's a collagen multiplier. For seniors looking to rebuild strength, support nerve health, and feel firm from the inside out, guava is non-negotiable. Up next, a dark berry that's tiny in size, but packs one of the strongest anti-aging, collagen-saving punches in nature. Let's talk about blackberries. Fruit number 5, blackberries. The tiny dark berry that shields collagen and restores nerve health. They're small, juicy, and packed with flavor. But blackberries may be one of the most powerful collagen-protecting fruits seniors can eat, especially if you're dealing with tingling fingers, nerve sensitivity, or slow muscle recovery. Let's break down why they work. Blackberries are loaded with anthocyanins, dark plant pigments that not only give them their deep purple color, but also act as collagen shields, preventing the breakdown of existing collagen from stress, toxins, and inflammation. This is vital after 60, when your body is not only producing less collagen, but losing it faster due to oxidative stress. Blackberries also contain vitamin C to stimulate new collagen production, manganese, a mineral required to build strong connective tissue polyphenols, plant compounds that fight inflammation and free radicals. But here's what makes blackberries stand out for seniors. They help protect the nervous system, especially the myelin sheath, the protective covering around nerves that helps prevent tingling, numbness, and misfiring signals. When this sheath deteriorates, you feel pins and needles burning in your feet or hands, nerve zaps when walking or gripping. Blackberries help reduce nerve inflammation while also boosting blood flow to small capillaries that feed the muscles and nerves, particularly in the legs and hands. How to use it: eat half cup of blackberries 4 to 5 times per week. Combine with Greek yogurt or oats for a collagen-boosting breakfast. Always choose fresh or frozen over canned or sweetened versions. You can also blend into smoothies or mix with other berries for variety. Bonus: blackberries are low in sugar, but high in fiber, making them excellent for blood sugar control, gut health, and sustained energy. Blackberries may be tiny, but they're nerve defenders, collagen protectors, and anti-aging warriors in every bite. If you want strength in your legs, clarity in your nerves, and firmness in your skin, don't overlook this dark little fruit. So let's recap. You've just discovered how tingling hands, weak legs, sore joints, and fragile skin may not just be a normal part of aging. They're warning signs of a collagen breakdown that's been quietly happening in your body for years. But now you know how to fight back. By adding just 2 to 3 of these powerful fruits daily, you can help your body rebuild the collagen matrix that supports your joints and nerves, improve muscle response and circulation, and restore firmness, mobility, and energy from the inside out. Let's quickly list them again. Kiwi activates pro-collagen and protects nerves. Pineapple flushes inflammation and supports joint recovery. Papaya helps you digest and absorb collagen-building amino acids. Guava triggers collagen faster than most supplements. Blackberries defend your nerves and preserve existing collagen. The best part? They're natural. No pills, no injections. Just food that speaks your body's healing language. Because aging isn't a sentence, it's a season. And in the right conditions, your body can rebuild, reconnect, and recover no matter your age. So here's your next step. Like this video to help more seniors find it. Comment below which fruit are you adding to your routine this week. Subscribe for weekly videos that help you age stronger, move better, and live with clarity, starting from your very next bite. Your body isn't giving up. It's waiting for the right support, and now you know where to start.